Hello friends, welcome to our my YouTube channel Tarannum Support. In this video we will talking about top 10 famous freedom fighter of India with introduction. तो दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे 10 फेमस फ्रीडम फाइटर्स इंडिया के और उनके बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को करते हैं हम स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट है टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, यानी आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्या क्या कवर करने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट है इंट्रोडक्शन, पहले हम इंट्रोडक्शन जानेंगे। सेकंड है 10 फेमस फ्रीडम फाइटर्स इंडिया के, उनके बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन। Behind the ceremony of independence 15th of August 1947, there is a violent and discovered history of furious rebellions, fight and activities carried out by thousands of enthusiastic Indian freedom fighters to free India from British rule. Many of India's freedom fighters fought, suffered and died. The Indian freedom fighters did not only play an essential part in the country's independence, but they also left a legacy of daring, unwavering resolve, and steadfast devotion to the country. They inspire millions of fight and preserve our precious freedom even after their death. फर्स्ट फ्रीडम फाइटर है महात्मा गांधी। सबसे पहले हम इनका फुल नेम जानेंगे। इनका फुल नेम है मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, popularly called Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869. Because of his enormous sacrifices for India, he is sometimes referred to as the father of the nation. Along with guiding India toward freedom, he also served as an inspiration for several other nations' independence efforts and human rights movements. Under his direction, the historical non-cooperation movement, the Dandi March, and the Quiet India movement were all launches, and he was killed on January 30, 1948 in New Delhi. He is one of the India's most prominent freedom fighters. सेकेंड फेमस फ्रीडम फाइटर हैं जवाहरलाल नेहरू। Born on November 14, 1889, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was Motilal Nehru and Swaraj Rani Nehru's child. Nehru was a well-known attorney and thinker, and he quickly rose to become one of the best politicians the country had ever seen. Nehru rose to be one of the most potent leaders in Indian politics after Gandhi's endorsement in the 1930s. After much thought, Nehru accepted the India partition in 1947 and took oath as India's first Prime Minister after independence. His birthday, November 14, he widely observed as Children's Day in India. थर्ड फेमस फ्रीडम फाइटर हैं सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। He was born on 31 October 1875 and died on 15 December 1950. Often renowned as the Iron Man of India and Bismarck of India, he was famous for his courage and heroism for a very young age. Sardar Patel, who was at first a lawyer, quit his job to battle for India's freedom from British rule. He was elected India's Deputy Prime Minister. when the country gained independence. Fourth famous freedom fighter है भगत सिंह. This revolutionary hero was born into a Sikh family in the undivided Punjab state and retained his family history and nationalism until his death. In 1928, he was implicated in a plan to kill James Scott, a British police superintendent, in retaliation from the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The scheme fell apart when they accidentally murdered another young police officer, and Singh escaped to Lahore to avoid prosecution. The British sentenced this renowned Indian freedom fighter to death and hanged him at the young age of 23. Fifth freedom fighter हैं लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2, 1904 in Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh, and passed away on January 11, 1966. He was awarded the title of Shastri Scholar when he completed his education at Kashi Vidyapith. He spent a significant amount of time in prison since he was a freedom fighter for independence. Before being chosen as India's second Prime Minister in 1964, he served as Home Minister during the country independence. In 1965, he invented the catchphrase Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which is still used today. Sixth freedom fighter हैं Ram Prasad Bismil. With a desire for liberty and a revolutionary spirit permeating each inch of his body, Bismil was among the most notable Indian freedom fighters who opposed British colonialism and enabled the country to breathe the fresh air of freedom after centuries of the fight against the imperial forces. He was hanged to death at the Gorakhpur jail. Seventh freedom fighter हैं सुभाष चंद्र बोस. The freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose, sometimes referred to as Netaji, was born in the state of Odisha. He could have been compelled to flee England for India in 1921 due to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He joined the INC, यानी Indian National Congress, and took part in the movement for civil disobedience. Furthermore, he eventually formed the Azad Hind government and Azad Hind Army. 8 freedom fighter हैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, one of the top women liberation warriors whose contribution will never be forgotten or disregarded, is India's top 10 independence fighters. Rani Lakshmibai, Queen of Jhansi, was born in 1828. She had a significant role in the 1857 Indian independence struggle. 9th freedom fighter है मंगल पांडे. Born in 1827, Mangal Pandey was a pioneer in the movement for freedom. He was one of the rebels who initially exhorted youthful Indian troops to join the insurrection in 1857. They launched the Indian uprising in 1857 by carrying out the first attack upon English authority while serving as the soldiers for the British East Indian Company. 10 famous freedom fighter हैं नाना साहेब. The 1857 uprising was greatly aided by Nana Sahib, who led a group of ardent revolutionaries. He overtook the East India Company soldiers in Kanpur by slaying the force remnants and entering the British camp. Nana Sahib was not just darling and fearless but also a gifted administrator who managed and organized hundreds of Indian troops. He is one of Indian finest freedom fighter. So friends, वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट, शेयर. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ.